Hi everyone. In today's math work, you're actually going to stay in the slideshow and work on some practice place value using slides. So this tutorial is just to walk you through how to complete the slides. So as you go through the practice, you're going to see something that looks like this. Now I want to draw your attention to the bottom. The bottom are the directions. So for example, in this slide, they tell you to first click on each question mark in the chart to erase and type in the digits. So they're asking us to show each number on the place value chart, then write the values of the digits. So if my number is 365,741 and I want to put it in this place value chart, I click on the question mark. That'll erase. I just backspace. And then I start putting in my digit. Okay? And that's how I would go about and complete this part of the activity. So anything that you need to do on the slide should be in a text box, and your directions should be on the bottom. As you go through the slides, you might be asked to do different things. This slide asks you to drag the pieces on the bottom to correctly cover the yellow boxes. So if they're asking what is the value of the 3 in each number, and I look at the first one, this is a big number, 4,362,158. And if I pay attention to the 3, it's in the hundred thousands place value. So the value of that 3 is 300,000. So I'm going to look to see where I can find 300,000. Here it is. I'm going to click, and I'm going to drag it, and I'm going to put it in its spot. And again, as you go along, just look at the bottom for your directions, and it'll tell you exactly what to do. So that's it. Have fun with today's math practice.